Hello everybody, this is Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia mountains. I'm standing on 13.2 acres. I got a dog and a daughter with me today. They are absolutely enjoying this property. Much of the property is actually fenced in. So if you wanted to fence in more, you could. It is so close to town, the town of Morganton, walking around here. Hey, Abby. So you've got land that connects to the U.S. Forestry Service, and you had a trail that walks all the way to Lake Blue Ridge, which is an awesome feature to this property. As you can see, they've utilized the land too to go hunting. They've had gardens. And if you just look off there, I'm at the low end, but yet look at that. I wish I could zoom in with this app that I use. I can't, but you can see North Carolina mountains from here. It's just beautiful. But you're in Morganton in Fannin County. The home is here, perched up on this little hill here. It's got a front porch that you can enjoy the view. It is all on one level, no stairs, which is what everybody seems to really love. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm going to go ahead and walk up here into the house, but I'm going to have to put the dog up because she's not allowed in the house. All right, she's putting the dog in the Jeep. Oh, well, maybe she's not. You'll get to see whether she's obedient or not. As you can see right over here, she needs my help. But this property has underground power, so no power lines, which is wonderful. Look at this view. Isn't that awesome? Okay, I'm going to pause it and take care of the dog. All right, well, the dog took care of herself. She got in as soon as the door was open on the Jeep. All right, I am in here. This is such a spacious room. It's all open. This is the living area. You actually have a little dedicated dining area as well. You got 2 bedrooms to the right. Open kitchen, granite countertops. Look at those custom cabinets. Aren't they beautiful? All stainless steel appliances. But then when you got over here is your dedicated dining area. So it's a wood fireplace. Can you envision? It is so cold today. It would be great to have a nice crackling fire in that. And look at that TV. Good grief, you've got plenty of room for a massive size TV. Directly over there is the master. So everything is on its main level. It's got the engineered vinyl. There's a back deck. And here's where you could actually walk into a mud room. So you've got a closet, washer, dryer. They even got room for additional fridge. Any of the furnishings in here are negotiable. Isn't that great? I love this cabinet. I love the color of the cabinet and the granite. It just matches so well. Lots of room. I mean, this is big furniture. All right, so let's go into the bedroom. Master bedroom is large. It also has a very large walk-in closet. So the mattress, there's a box springs there, but there's a mattress missing. So the bed looks very low to the ground. Or it might be that the mattress is there in the box spring. I'm not really sure. But anyway, it's well lit. Plenty of room. Let's see here. There's the walk-in closet. Look at that. Lots of room. It's got high ceilings. I think this is about 9-foot ceilings in here. All right. The cabinets and the countertops carried throughout. There's a nice pantry. Look at that shower. Isn't that pretty? Very high ceilings here. A very spacious bathroom. Look at that cabinet or pantry. Very deep. It's walk-in. All right. And turn off these lights as I walk out. Don't want to waste the power. Very efficient home. It was built in 2022, if I haven't already mentioned that. You are on city water, but if you wanted to have a well, you could have a well. You got 13.2 acres. You're close to town, though. That does save you on the cost. So you wouldn't have to do a well. Here's the bathroom. Like I said, it's got high ceilings. So I'd say that they are probably about 9 foot, 9 or 10. Probably 9. They're definitely taller than the average 8-foot ceilings. So both bedrooms have nice closet size. I've not opened up the blinds. My apologies. I didn't open up all of them. I did open up the ones in the master bedroom. However, just want to recap. This is a great place in Morganton on 13.2 acres. Backs up to U.S. Forestry Service. A home all on one main level, a 3-2. Very reasonably priced. Take a hike to the Lake Blue Ridge because it's just a trail through the U.S. Forestry Service that connects to the property. Underground power. There's a shed. I don't know, you've seen it in the beginning of it. There is a shed that will house your farm equipment. Build a garage and put your own vehicle in it. But anyway, great space for family gatherings. If you have any questions, contact me, Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the absolutely gorgeous but cold Blue Ridge Mountains. My number is 706-455-6977.